Everybody, if you see these cans, you know what time it is. It's time to try to get this air conditioner to work. So I found a belt and already vacuumed the system out. The compressor didn't work, but it was because that wire over here was corroded. So I cleaned that up, and the compressor engages now. So it's time to turn the Jeep on and see if it'll take these cans. So if you're asking why I'm not converting to 134A, it's because I don't feel like spending the money on that, and I already had 3 of these cans. So so let's see what happens. Alright, so the can is punctured. This thing leaks really slowly. It's an old can tap, and it is very cold right now, so that means it is getting pulled into the system. I don't see anything on the sight glass yet, though. Let's turn this a little bit. You don't want to blow the compressor by putting actual liquid in there, but I'm trying to get a little bit more in there quicker. The can is very, very cold, and when it's cold, that means it's getting in there. So let's check the sight glass. Still don't see anything. I'll get back to you guys when this is done. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the refrigerant is flowing in there if you look very carefully. And this is really cold right now. So it looks like my air conditioner does work in this Jeep. Man, thank God. Alright everybody, so both cans are in there now. And I don't know if you can see what that says, but it is ice cold. Very, very cold. Works on low, works on high. It needs one more can though. It's only at about half charge right now, so I can't believe this 50-year-old air conditioner still works. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like.